Hey everybody, it's Allie and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to go over the products that I've been using for the month of July. Things have not been the same, obviously, so it hasn't really felt like summer for me, but we're going to go ahead and get started and talk about the products that I have been using. So the first couple things I'm going to talk about, it's actually a duo. It's by Lacquer. For those of you who don't know, it is Kathleen Light's nail polish line. She finally came out with the base coat and top coat. Ignore my nails now. I'm actually about to go do them, but I actually really like this. It's a gripping base coat and a glossy top coat. I love using these obviously together, but it's so cute. Honestly, I really appreciate Kathleen Light's creativity, especially with like naming and things like that. I don't know. I feel like, I don't know if it's hard for her, if she has a team, but I feel like her name, she's just on it. And I'm just like, wow, those are really good. But anyways, with the duo, she had almost like a 90s theme, and it's the So Clingy and the So Over. I believe all of Light's Lacquer is, I forget what, 7 safe or 7 free, 9 free, I don't know. But anyways, these work really well together. I like them, and I do obviously use them with her polish, and I also use them with other polishes, but I really like them. And I feel like the base coat, I don't know, maybe it's in my head, but like it's not completely clear, and I don't know if that does have to do with the formula. I'm assuming so. It has to do with the formula. I definitely feel like it's very gripping, and I feel like the top coat is actually super glossy, which I like. I love me like a nice glossy nail. So yeah, so those are my first favorites for July. So the next couple things I'm going to talk to you guys about are actually recommendations by Stephanie Letta. If you guys don't know her, she's SMLX0 here on YouTube and Instagram and everywhere else, I believe. So the first of her recommendations is the Alastin skincare. It's the Hydratint Pro Mineral Broad Spectrum Sunscreen. This is basically all I've been using this month. I honestly have like not really worn makeup. This is like slightly tinted, like you can see it, there's a little bit. And when I do blend it out, you can see it's like super sheer, but it does help kind of just like even out the skin tone. I like this, especially when I'm like jumping in the pool or something. I don't think it's waterproof or anything, but I feel like it does stay on nicely. So it's nice when I just want that SPF, but with like a little bit of tone to it, but not like full on makeup, and just like a little bit of coverage. I feel like it does help like smooth it out, and it actually is supposed to have a lot of skin benefits to it as well. So this is basically like all I've been using, trying to give my skin a break besides using like SPF. So this has been my go-to. The next thing that she did speak about like a while ago is the NYX On The Rise Volume Mascara. And I only have the little sample size. I do have it on my eyes today, and I have to say I really like it a lot. I like the bristles on the brush. The bristles are like plasticky, so they're not like the natural bristles, but I do like it because I feel like it helps separate the lashes very nicely, and it does lift it and volumize it. I don't know if you can tell right now, but this is a really, really nice mascara. So thank you for the recommendation. And I know she's been raving about another mascara recently, so I need to try that as well. But I don't know if you guys could even tell, again, ignore this, but where the sunscreen was, it just has, I don't know, it just kind of like evens out the skin tone. Very nice. So these two I've been very happy with for the month of July. So the next product I want to talk about is by Billion Dollar Brows. It is their brow crayon, and I've tried this on. I did do a whole like unboxing video of a bunch of products that they did actually send to me, which they were so kind enough to do that. Thank you for sending it over. But this brow crayon I really like. I don't have it on today, but I honestly, these three have been like my go-to combination for this month. I just throw a little bit of this on my face, put a little bit of mascara, and I quickly just fill in my brows with this. Again, I don't have it on today, but I love that it's just like a chubby little stick, and it has that waxy texture. Let me see where I can put it. If you guys saw in my video, I did speak about this a little bit more, and I tried it on there, but it has like a little bit of that waxy texture. I like that it's a cooler brown, so it doesn't leave my brows looking like orangey or red-ish. But yeah, I feel like because it's so thick, it's just like a quick swipe and it holds the brow hairs down. So yeah, I just, because I haven't really been doing anything, this is just a quick like whoop, and then you're done. So the next thing I'm going to talk about, I kind of feel like I shouldn't have mentioned this because I've mentioned this brand and these products in the past before, but I wanted to talk about these specific shades. So it is the Birthday Suit Lip Liner and Lip Gloss by Alamar Cosmetics. Guys, this is like the perfect pinky nude for me. I actually have this on my lips right now. You guys know I've raved about the formula in the past before, so that's the same The lip liners are so creamy. Let me just put that on here. So creamy. The colors are gorgeous. I have all the lip liners now, all the lip glosses except for Mommy Spice Latte. I don't have that, but I have all the other ones. So it's like the perfect amount of pink, perfect pinky nude for me. It's not like too pink. As you guys can see, I have it on now. So it's when I want like a nude lip, but like a little bit of pink in there. And it has just the right amount of like shimmer and sparkle in there. So yeah, this has been like my favorite combination. I love this so much. Again, I rave about the formula. Gabby, you know what you're doing. This color, specifically Birthday Suit, is like perfection. So the last thing I'm going to talk about is actually by Elemis. I did receive this in a BoxyCharm way back when, and this is their dynamic resurfacing facial pads. They're skin smoothing pads, as you guys can see.
Can I see, Mom?
Yeah, sure you can.
Ooh, what is that for?
They're like little cotton pads that have different, like not medicine, but it has something in it to help with my skin.
Okay.
Yeah, my skin has been such a mess. I've spoken about this before. My skin has honestly been like the worst it's ever been, like in my life. So it's been a little rough. It's been a little bit of a struggle. I'm trying not to like overdo it with different products, but I'm trying to use the right products. It's like I'm teetering on that line where I'm like, should I just let my skin be? Should I just attack it and like go hard? And what products do I use? What products should I stay away from? Lots of things going on, but honestly, I'm attributing it to stress because Mama has a lot of stress going on. So I have been using different products, but I actually really like these pads. So I actually haven't used like facial pads or anything like that, honestly, since I was probably like 13. I don't know. I believe this has glycolic acid in it. I don't know. I believe there is fragrance though, because I smell that in there. I have to look at the list a little bit closer, but I do know that just by using this, I feel like it has actually helped like the surface of my skin, just smoothing it out, and especially with like the discoloration and things like that. I don't know, it's a gentle exfoliator. So yeah, again, I'm just kind of like on that line, like, do I exfoliate? Do I not? Do I let my skin be? I don't know, but I will say that I do notice a difference when I use this and when I don't. So maybe it is doing something to help. I don't know, but that's it. So that does it. Thank you for being patient with me while my little ones are in the background, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, ring the bell, stay happy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Sorry, she's trying to get her pinky for her. Which one do you want, honey? That one? Okay, just give her both if they're there. Please. Thank you. Say thank you. Okay, thank you, honey. That was very nice. Okay. Alright, girls. Can I talk about the products that I like, please? Okay, don't keep throwing them on purpose. We're not going to get them for you. Okay, thank you. Okay, sorry. My daughter thinks that everything's hilarious right now.